Welcome back to Affie's kitchen. Today I'm making a chicken karahi. These are the ingredients: 1 cup of oil, coriander and black pepper powder. This is coriander powder, salt, garlic paste and ginger paste, red chili, yogurt, lemon juice. We got oil here, onions, tomatoes and chicken. So let's start it. Okay, it's a little bit hot. Now we're gonna add some onions. Okay guys, so this is the onions. Let's start it. We're gonna a little bit brown, okay? So just keep mixing it until it got a little bit better. Okay. See how that looks nice? It's gonna take a little time. A couple minutes, 3-4 minutes, okay? This onion is ready now. You can see it. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. See how that looks? Now you're gonna add and mix it pretty good for the tomatoes. Look at that, it's gonna be awesome. Awesome chicken karahi, guys, check it out. Now we're gonna mix it up for a little bit and check this out how that look. Tomatoes, everything is mixed pretty good, nice. It's ready now. Now we're adding all the masalas, okay? Add the yogurt. Okay. Alright, all the masalas is almost done. Now we're gonna mix it, and after that we're gonna put the chicken. Okay, let's see that. We're mixing everything nicely. Beautiful, how that look. Nice. See how that look? Awesome, right? That's good. Now it's time to add the chicken, okay? There you go, all the chicken. Okay. Now we're going to mix it. 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna cover this, and after that I'll be back. First mix this pretty good. Check this out. I just want to show you how that look. It's cooking nicely, beautiful. Look at this. So I'll be back. Check the chicken karahi. It's almost done. We're gonna add this 1 spoon right here, and now 2 spoons of lemon. 1 and 2. So you can see it. Chicken karahi, excellent chicken karahi is ready actually, and I'm going to put in the dish so you will see it. All right. Chicken karahi is ready. Excellent chicken karahi. You will love it. And I'll be back with a new dish. Bye-bye.